Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 15th at KIT Iizuka campus for English 5C. A few things that I want to do today, but basically the main thing is I want to get you ready for your midterm test. Now, last week, thank you, we signed up with our pair partners and I put those pair partners into groups. If you have not yet signed up with a pair partner, please make sure you tell me, because this week is the last week that I can put you into a group. And we're going to be checking to make sure that I have you in your partners and in your groups. And the midterm speaking test this semester is pretty much the same thing as you did for your final test last semester. You'll be put into pairs, and then those pairs will be put into groups. And each pair, well, generally, I'm not absolutely sure yet, but each pair will have another pair. So you'll make 4 people, and the 4 people will have a conversation in front of me. And that conversation will be marked on your ability to have a natural conversation. Okay, but if you took the test last semester, which I think you all did, then it should be no problem at all for you. Okay. Now, just looking at what else we're going to be doing today in class number 7, we're going to be starting out with a little bit of Quizlet work, okay? And then after that, we're going to, as soon as we can, go into the final chance to practice for the test. Beforehand, though, you have your homework answers from last week, and you still have a homework submission this week, homework submission number 5. And that will be the last point for the test I'm thinking about another class, sorry. That will be the last point for this semester for your homework, okay? Now, you also still have a reflection. I want you to think about what we've been doing in class. Has it been helping you with your English? I hope it has. I want to point out a couple of things before we go into the test, but I'll be doing that after I make this recording. And I also prepared for you a couple of things. Finally, I got from the university the information for the TOEIC test on December 2nd. Okay, so here's the information. There's the schedule right there. There's a schedule for you in whatever class that you're in, and the important points that you should be watching out for, especially the if you have a problem with becoming sick, the deadlines for December 8th, etc., etc. Please make sure that you read this document. If you have any questions, please don't come to me. Please go up to the 4th floor and ask the English department there, because I can't really tell you the answers to this. This TOEIC test does not actually relate to me. I only take your results in the semester. In this semester, it will be your listening results. I take your results and I put them into this grade. Okay, let's get back to the Moodle. And for the grammar quiz, you have a grammar quiz that's due in a few weeks or so. Okay, for the grammar quiz, I gave you the actual targets for the grammar quiz here. Now, I just noticed that that's not available until December 24th, so I'll fix that for you. But that grammar quiz itself will be due, so please make sure that you look at that grammar quiz targets. Maybe I can show you that for just a second here. Sorry about this. Class speaking targets and the speaking targets themselves. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change that to my normal role. And grammar quiz targets. If you click this, basically, it's a PDF of everything that we saw on these projector boards. And this vocabulary, especially these sentences, it's a review of everything that we've studied. And that will be on the grammar quiz, okay? And if you understand these sentences, then you will probably have no problem at all with the grammar quiz, okay? If you have any questions about that you can talk to me, because I'm the one that actually made this, okay? And as I said before, that grammar quiz is going to be available as soon as I make it available. Unfortunately, I think I may have made a mistake on the, actually turn that off, edit mode. Sorry about that. This thing really slows down when it's trying to do this in teacher mode. Okay. Come on. There we go. Okay. So the grammar quiz itself will be available at the end of the day. If you can't get to that grammar quiz, then please make sure that you contact me by email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Just a couple of things about your midterm test. Please make sure that you can contact your pair partner. Please make sure that you come to this classroom, hopefully before the class begins, and I'll give you the schedule, and then the schedule itself will be something that you'll follow and come into the test room with that. Okay? If you have any questions, again, about any of all of that, please make sure that you contact me about it. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.